Help me. She cute. She giving. Already. The curls are giving. One swipe. Silky. Not 100% sure, but I think this is to help you cover up the grids of the lace. You'll put it inside of the wig. Okay, so I'm ready to go to some stores, but before I do, I was going to straighten my wig and then go to some stores, but I need to hurry up and actually go to the bank before they close and get some cash out, and then I'm gonna come back and straighten my wig. So, ow, man, ouch, what the hell is it stuck to? Help me, help me. So, this is what we're working with. She cute. She giving. Already. The curls are giving. So this is how I'm going to wear it when I go to some stores. Yeah, I do want to do my makeup just like something slight. So I have on this dress here. Real cute. And I'm thinking about doing this orange lip. It's by the Crayon Case in the color Jambalaya. Is that going to be giving, or am I going to be doing too much? I'm going to line my lips with brown. So real quick, this is a Nikki lip liner pencil in the color Coffee. Okay, where's this orange at? Ooh, he bright. Dang, I was gonna eat, but I'm gonna have to wait on that. Ooh, okay. Now we about to throw this baby on. Okay, watch how fast we put this together. I think it's good to go like this. Okay, boom. Y'all see how quick that was? Easy. And then I think I love the fact that the bangs are like a slight looser curl than the rest of the hair. It's giving scalp. So yeah, I like that. Like, I'm really loving the curly bangs. Like, I didn't need anything for this wig. I didn't even need to hot comb it. I took out my hot combs right here. I didn't even have to use them. And then, stop playing. Now granted, I couldn't snatch it off because the combs. Ouch. But, this is a real, live, true shake and go. And I do want to see all that this wig has to offer. So that's why I'm going to come back a little later and straighten it. But the curls, I'm here for the curls. And then the lip to tie it all together. So let me stop raving about this wig. Go ahead and run to the bank before they close, because it is 3 o'clock. Well, they're not ready to close just yet, but I do gotta go to like 3. I have to go to 3 different banks. So yes. Okay, I'm back from the bank. I got my man on the phone. He don't even know he on mute, but y'all, I just got back from the bank and I went to Ulta. As soon as I walked in, the girl was like, "Oh, I love your hair." Now I did get a couple comments by some older women, which is, I was like, okay, you know, cute. It's a vibe, it's a bang. Y'all like stuff like that. One more thing, make sure you go and check out their mother wig sections. They have way more ranges of pixie cut and bob length wigs to choose from. But let me tell you, baby, this bang in this weather, I had my hair on number 7 the whole ride. Bang was like this. My bang was blowing back like this. Like, it's hot. But right now I'm ready to straighten it. But baby, I'm feeling it. You should have seen me walking into the banks. I know they was looking like, this one hot tamale right there. Yeah. And then the lip. The orange lip. Show y'all. Body yada 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 yada. Okay, let me straighten my hair. And I'm wetting it, then blow drying it like this so that it will be easier when I go to flat iron it. See this? So soft. Versus me trying to work through the curls. Yeah, got one section done. Look good. Okay, let me show y'all the difference between doing the chase method with a comb versus a straightening brush. This is what you want. Click the link down below and go shop my Amazon storefront. Let me show you why. See, I haven't used any product on this hair. It's very flowy. Going a little slow. It's going to straighten it, but not how the brush does it. See that? We got some slight waves in there, but for the most part it is straightened, but we do have some waves. But let me show you on a fresh piece. Make sure I use the same amount of hair. This one might be a little thicker. So all I do is take my brush, clamp it on, and it even has this where you can lock it and it'll stay. But I don't need that because I'm true to this, not new to this. Just flat iron it going down. And look at that. No waves. One swipe. Silky. Go get you one of these. Yeah. I think it's called a brush straightener. But what you need to do is click the link and go get you one. And for real, I don't even have to go this slow, but I'm just going this slow, whatever. Every time. Every time. Okay, my bangs are super long now that I've straightened them. The hair is super long now that I've straightened it. So let's see here. I really don't want to cut my bangs because I like the length of them when it's curly. So maybe I can just scoop the wig back. That's the perfect thing about bangs. You can adjust them. Let me curl my bangs under just a little. See, I pushed the wig back to about here. So. Okay, because I can't pull my wig back anymore. It's gonna be off my head. Bad girls ain't no good, and the good girls ain't no fun. And I just love how the bangs are like thin, I guess you can say. Ugh, perfect. Then this color on my skin tone, I love it. Don't play with it, don't play. It's giving Tina Turner. R.I.P. Auntie. Oh, no bush. No bush city limits. All the bangs. The bayang. Alright, I'm just sleepy. And I'm actually tired. And I got work to do. So, damn girl, who you? Cause you is fine. Oh, you cute. All right, now this wig, I wasn't expecting all of this. I mean, sheesh. Oh yeah, no bullshit. It ain't giving Tina Turner anymore, baby. It's giving Toni Braxton, baby. It's giving Tyra Banks, baby. If you got a little raggedy daggedy wig laying around somewhere, cut some bangs into it. Wear a cute little half up, half down, because don't forget, this is a closure. This is a closure unit, honey. Oh no, no bullshit. Oh yes. I'm tired, but I like it a lot. Okay, so really quick, I do want to show you guys how the hair reverts back to its natural curly state. And this is just some water and conditioner mix. Let's get a little section here. Let me get it wet. But you see it's starting to wave up so far. And they're only this loose because the hair is wet. Once the hair dries, the curls will tighten. But yeah, see how the curls reverted right back. All right, make sure the bangs get back right. Okay, there we go. All right, y'all, so that's all for this video. Definitely leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look and the styles that I came up with and how I straight up finessed it, if I do say so myself. But I can't take all the credit because this is a really nice wig. Good quality wig. Look how thick it is. Like, look at that. It's so thick. Good quality hair. You can wear it straightened. You can wear it curly. You choose. You can wear it up. You can wear it down. Yeah. So, until next time. See ya. Oh. Ooh. Get this off. Ooh. Ah. Ooh. Sheesh Louise. The bangs, the bangs, the bangs. Too much, too much. Now let me get this off my face and just dry off my, okay. I didn't press in. I didn't press in. I don't even care. Oof. I can do a wig, but them bangs with makeup on in the summertime, brace yourself, fool. I'm gone. Make sure you go and check out their mother wig sections. They have way more ranges of pixie cut and bob length wigs to choose from.